Okay, it's time. It's a good day. Gotta put the truck frame in the new shop. Not done yet, but the structure's up. Next thing I do have to get done, I'm gonna probably start today. I got a trench from there all the way behind that little bathroom. That's where my electrical is. Me and Crawl got some digging to do. And I still gotta finish my French drain. That needs to get piped all the way over to the edge of the property. Drainage. Because when it does rain, a lot of water comes off that. And I still have my doors. Those are gonna be a couple weeks yet. Not till the end of October. I waited till the end, hoping I'd have a little more money so I could buy a nice door. I do not. So we picked this up last night. It was in my family's shop, our storage barn. And we went up there for two reasons. We grabbed this guy, and then we went up to Richard Crane Memorial Truck Show. It's something unique to this area. It's about 29-30 years they've been doing this. I have not been to it for the last 20, and I heard it's gotten real big. So we're gonna take the kid and some friends up there. We're gonna go check it out. So I don't know who Richard Crane is. I googled him, tried to figure it out. A little bit I found, I think he was a truck driving school instructor or something. So maybe if anybody knows who he was, wants to put a good comment about him so I don't mess it up. So we're gonna head up there. It's my hometown, then we're gonna cross the bridge. Mackinac Bridge crosses where Lake Michigan and Lake Huron meet. It's about 5 miles. Go up to a town called St. Ignace, and they line up all the trucks down the street like your average little everyday little car show you've seen. And then at night they'll do what's called a parade of lights, and then we come back to my hometown and they'll cross the bridge, and then they just terrorize town. It's loud, it's lit up, it smells like diesel. It's just some redneck shit. So anyway, hope you guys like it. Check this out and make sure you subscribe, because we're gonna get back on this 46 soon. Like I said earlier, I got a couple more little odds and ends to finish here. And the cab is still down in that garage. So hopefully I can get this done and somewhat enjoy a little bit of work before it gets cold out. So alright, check out the show, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, I know the parade gets kind of long, alright? It just never ended, so you gotta at least fast forward to the end. The finale is pretty cool. So, alright, see you on the next one. We're in the big town of St. Ignace, across the bridge. We've got a little something different today. We're going to a semi-truck show.
Yeah.
Check this stuff out. See anything cool, let me know. Sorry, bud. That is sick. What's that one? Oh, that's cool. What do you think? Nice. Isn't this cool, guys?
Get up there and I'll take your picture. They're all gone, Molly. I'm gonna put them in the shade, okay? Yeah, that's the best.
I like that color. Someone had to polish all that, but
There's cheese graters on the steps. Oh.
yeah, that's sharp. Why is it pooping glitter out? Why is there glitter all over the ground, E?
Yeah, where the glitter from?
The herpes of the craft world. Yeah, there's a bunch of strippers in the back. Gotta put them through college. Just look at this. There's everything. It's just polished. Oh. Rocking out. See trucks look this nice before?
This one doesn't have cheese grater on the smoke shop. Yeah, that's true. It's just a giant.
It just doesn't end. Look at them all. Some beef. What do you think of that one?
Liquefied.
It's corn. What is this? Someone explain that one to me.
Very weird shape.
There's another one.
looks like one of your paint jobs. Orange peel.
Orange peel? Yeah, that's. It's either orange peel or runs.
Or both.
Yeah, I'm good at that.
Two in one.
Here we go, dude.
Here we go. Alright, give me my chair. Oh, there's the
That would hurt. Little dot. Where's the rest of it? Is that the van? Sounds healthy. Hannes. Well, do something! You can't get in the middle of here and not do anything! Light him up, white boy! It's corn! There's still no wind in sight. Yeah!